Me start work like from about 12, 13 years old. Not going to school. So, me tell myself, say my mother weakness gotta be my strength. Anytime me start having children, me know say education is the first thing. Education is a must. That I only thing to make you well successful. Yeah. So anyway, me have one little girl. She starts school. She starts government school first. Then she go to, when she go in a grade 3, me take her out from the government school and put her in a Wilmore Prep. I'm from Santa Cruz. My name is Tracy N. Simpson. And when she finish Wilmore Prep, I sent her to, she passed for Hampton. And she go Hampton, did well, excellent, well. And then when she finished Hampton, I sent her straight in a maritime university college. Her name is Yannick Foster. Yeah, that's Miss Foster. Okay. So, me send her go foreign 2 times. Listen, me make certain say anything when me not have, me try my best to put kids forward. So me stay behind and me put them ahead of me. Remember now me not rich. Very poor. And it soon comes to the hungry part. Soon tell her what she say. So me would have say yes, hungry and poor. But the way how me support my kids is like a millionaire person supporting their kids. That's how me make it look, cause me not eat, but me make certain say they eat. Me make certain about that. I never hear my mother said I love you. Never. I never hear her saying love me nor no other pitney. No other sisters and brother. Never. So I use those weakness to be my strength. So I make certain make you feel love, tell you love, and show love. I did that all. And I give God thanks for all what I've done. Me play my part, and it have been well done, well played. When me say me alone, me mean no father. Without father, farming me do, I'm in a bush 24/7. Me plant everything to make certain say food upon table. Anything we can't sell, can't eat. So me make certain say me have food upon my table. I did my best 100%. Over 100% I did my best. When she finished Hampton, me send her straight in a university. Me send her go foreign 2 times. Me never go foreign yet. Never. The first bad experience when she come from foreign. When she come from foreign, me stand up at airport and open my hands watch. She go like she no see me. The first paycheck, she don't remember me. The first paycheck, she don't remember how poor, the poor background or the poor family where she come out of. She act as if a millionaire. Nah, it's no millionaire. No, a poor family. A very hungry mother. A very hungry and wanty mother. But me make certain so me put myself aside behind.
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, guys, to Real Talk TV. Yeah, man, big up on me Real Talk Massive. But, guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? Alright, I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, I hope you not feel no pain. And if you are feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Check the doctor. Call the doctor. Go to the doctor. Or make the doctor come at your home if you have the money. If you pay them, if you're broke and have no money, if you pay them and you can go down there and pay them down there because down there a small amount of money, no problem. No worry about that. We're going to call your brother, your sister, your auntie, your cousin, your friend, every single person where we know we go call and make somebody bring you down there. And guys, remember, mental health crisis is not a joke. So do your wellness check. call somebody, tell somebody, say, check on them, find out if them all right. And remember, if you cook some dinner, give somebody something to eat, help somebody. Remember Babu Jebs down the river. Remember Cassandra over the bridge. So you don't know. And if today your birthday, have a nice, wonderful birthday. Guys, thank you very much for the like, for the love, for the share, for the everything we want to do on the behalf of Rodney's lifestyle. And guys, you don't know it go. Remember to watch the ads then. Yeah, man. So guys, here are going on. Today, we go talk about that thing. You see the thumbnail and you see the first clip up there. Yeah, so today, we go talk about mother and daughter and a whole mother and a whole. And what my views is and how me think of it. Now, me want to talk about what the mother I talk about. So right now, I want to call Miss Yannick Foster to Real Talk. Yes, Yannick Foster, come, Real Talk want to talk to you. And why I want to talk to you is I want to know what caused your mother to come out on social media throughout this. Because as far as me concerned, the only reason why your mother must come out is because your mother is frustrated and your mother need help and your mother just realizes she couldn't party out all her money, but she never do that. She save all her money and she think about her daughter, getting her daughter into an institute and all those things. So Yannick Foster, come make Real Talk have a good talk with you. First, more I have to say to you is big up yourself and welcome to listening to Real Talk. So me now want to talk to you about my mother. My mother is the love of my life. Yes, me love my mother like how God love little children. And the reason for that is without her, I would not be on earth, name my name, and living my life. I would be on earth in another body with another name and living a different life. God knows what kind of life that was. And as a matter of fact, I wouldn't even know because I wouldn't be on earth as me. You get what I say? So, to be honest with you, you are on this earth because of your mother and your father, and most of it, your mother, because your mother is the one who carry you for 9 months. For the 9 months she carry you. All of them swell up foot and all of them sitting. No charge. So, what I want you to do, I'm going to stop here and I'm going to play a song for you. I want you to listen to this song. Listen to that song, Yanni. This song are for you and many other mothers and many other children out there. Just listen to that song.
Before I knew the sunlight, before I knew the rain, before I knew my own name, Mama, you carried me through the pain. Oh. For the month I carry no change, but your whole life rearranged. Body aching, tears in the night, still you whisper everything alright. Morning sickness, swollen feet, still you're moving strong and sweet. Two hearts beating in one frame, you carry love without complaint. You prayed for me before my cry, spoke my future to the sky. Before I walked, before I ran, already had a plan. Oh baby, I'm blessed, you gave your sleep, promises you vowed. best to bring me to the light. Blood and tears you never show. Seeds of greatness you help grow. Even when the world turned cold, your embrace was pure gold. You fed my dreams before your own. Turned that little house to home. Even when your heart felt strained, you smiled through hidden pain. For the month I carry no change. You carry sunshine through the rain. I didn't know the cost you paid. I only knew I felt so safe. Mama, strong like a mountain high. Your love will never die. Mama, you carry in turn. Who holds the mother when she cries? Who wipes the tears from her tired eyes? She the foundation of every land, strength of a nation in one woman hand. Not just gentle, she is flame, history written in her name. Every king was once a child, carried by a mother's sacrifice. She carried, she carried, she carried. For the month I carry no change. You carry purpose, carry pain. You carried hope when hope felt thin. You carried faith deep within. From your womb to my first cry, you gave your all so I could try. Mama, you carried everything. For the month I carry no change. You
Disrespect. When me send her go a foreign and when she a come back from foreign, me stand up right at airport door because me so happy because me send her go a foreign and me never go a foreign. Me stand up with me hand open wide and she pass me like she do all know she no see me. Me no say nothing to her. Me ask her if her eyeglass a work good and she say yes it a work good. Me leave it there so. Go back again like when me would call her on the phone when she answer when she feel like when she answer, you hungry, gonna go look something for you hungry. Me no pay no mind, no consider myself, I can't me share talk to. Anyway, next disrespect when she a graduate. After me pay all of this money, me pay like she go on Maritime University. She did tell me, I know, I don't even know if I lie or true. She tell me student loan would have pay $350,000, me would have to pay $150,000. If I lie or true, I don't know if I lie in Benatel, but I make certain I present all of my money, all of my balance of money, all of the balance I'm supposed to balance up for the school fee. Right? At one point, that's what you tell me. So I don't know if I lie or true or no. So the rent, me no anybody can go for Maritime. Me no owe money, not even for a minute. No school, me no owe money. My money pays straight up front. Nobody can, she no short a book, she no short a pencil. Me make certain say everything up front. Anybody must look like fool or look like they don't have nothing for them nor drink must me. Not a kid. Because I believe the people must be well taken care of. That is my belief and that is what I still believe all I want to go on. So it happened now that after all of that now, the next disrespect me I talk about is that when she graduate, everybody a march a pass and when a fair time now she a pass close to me, I call to her. I know she not turn on her head. She neither see me nor hear me. It's like I'm not even there. Anyway, me still not pay it no man. Me go on and they run off fee. Maritime, when she graduate, then Maritime employ her and she start lecture the mathematics, the engineering mathematics. Yanni, that's Miss Foster. Yes, the engineering mathematics. This seahorse, if you can look behind, me I go show you where she come out. She don't come out of no rich family. No matter how you see she a go on, sit there, a board. It's board. It's board she come out of. Right here, so. Right here. She can't come back here, so because she claims that the place too low and cheap for her. But this is the foundation of her. Writing at the two-piece of board. The two-piece of board will surround me. Writing at the two-piece of board surround me. I could have lived in a big 2-floor 6. But because I want her to get the best education, me put that for last. Me put that, I don't even know when that will come or if it will come. So, but just to make certain that she's well educated, me put everything behind and put she up front. So it happened now that realize she had all disrespect. She come here one long time, she come here and me give her something. She back to me hand like, I don't want it. And when you see me, no cook nothing, give me. And when you see me, no want nothing from you. No give it to me, me no want it. So me just stand up easy. Because me I say, I don't want to get heated. I just really want to be calm as. Can me get heated in and pretty and I really don't want that. Me try my best all when she backs with my hand when me give her something. She said, when you see me, no give me nothing because me no want nothing from you. Me no want nothing for you. If you don't give me nothing for yam, no give me nothing for drink. I have never hurt. I have never disrespect. I done my best. People can walk in a Santa Cruz, lovely pint and ask. Don't even ask my friend. Ask me enemy and ask me enemy if you tell the truth. 100% straight protection. Yo, me no play. Not even man me no live with. Because me no want no man walk near my kid. So not even man me no live with. To make certain everything run straight. I mean no problem. Me no want no problem. Let me tell you something. If me see people disrespect other people picking it hurt me much less mine. I don't play like that. I don't play with kids. I make certain everything nice, straight. Me no play, me no ramp. Me serious bad when it come to girl picnic. Especially girls. I don't play. Yeah. And when she dey at college, listen what me do now. Me make certain say, you know hungry never. And you know thirsty never. Me, Tracy, hungry. Me, Tracy, thirsty. Not her. She's not. She never, ever. If she hungry or thirsty and she want hungry, she have it and don't want to eat. How me do it now is that me make any amount of juice. When me go at town and 20, 30 bottle of drinks. When me reach down at Santa Cruz, they say, you know, me have to pay for see it. And a food me I carry go pick me for eat. Me have to pay for see it in a bus and put the bag pan to go up there. Me come and me get every day me a juice it now. Me put in a fridge and put in a fridge. Sometimes me don't even have nothing for space in my fridge because everything have to go at town. People with me want a banana, me I go at town, want plant and any little thing, everything me put in a bag and carry go at town, go get her. Me make certain say she no hungry nor thirsty and me give her money. Anytime she call me and tell me say she no have no money. Me say tell me truth how much money I have. One day specific, me say be honest and tell me how much money she have. And she said $10,000. And she call me and tell me say she no have no money. Me make certain say she have one card and money always the funny card. So if the money in your pocket done, you use the card. Never hungry, never thirsty. I did my best. There was nothing else left for me to do. I do everything and I think I did everything and I did everything right. I did it right. So it happened now that she start work. The Maritime University employ her and she start lecture the engineering mathematics. Now things get worse because paycheck big. And who is me? I've never collect a paycheck, not to mention so big. A little paycheck, when I used to do at town and I get liquor work at town, one little bit of money upon my paper. Me don't know big money upon no paycheck. Me don't know that. Me have to walk in a bush like dog and
No, guys, hear what the mother have to say. Her daughter come into the airport and she open her hand like this. She's so excited. The daughter walk past. Like she no see nobody. Now, Yanni, I'm ready now. Disrespecting your mother is disrespectful. Ungrateful. Yes. I do know you're a partner. But listen to what me I say. There's a lot more to that story. There is a lot more to that story. And I believe the mother is not saying all of what she wants to say. There's a lot more to the story. However, it doesn't matter what the mother did to you or do to you. But the most important thing is the mother put out all she got into you. That's important. That's the core of the base of the situation. If you and your mother have a fallout, or if you just believe that your mother too poor now for your status, remember, 9 months 9 months of carrying you on this earth is not a easy 9 months. Some people have swollen foot. Some people chew up every day. Some people have to go to the doctor every day. And after we, as children born, it takes us another 18, 16, 17, 15 years with our mother. Sometimes there's no father. Sometimes the man gone about in business, and sometimes the woman gone about her business, left you or left the kid and the father too. So it's vice versa. It's not only the woman. Now, when I see things like these happen, I feel really upset. And I go be honest with you. Because my mother, listen good. Let me say something. There is a concept that people use and talk about um your wife or your woman is come before your mother. I don't run those jokes. Let me just get that out there. I do not run those jokes. I don't have those conversations with nobody because there's only one person that comes bring me on this earth. One individual. Well, no, not one. Two. Two. One is the workman. uh, One is the workman, and one is the receiver. So, to be honest with you, my father and my mother put forth and bring me upon this land. Yeah? So, my mother is the rock star of who I am. Nobody else. I do not care what you want to say to me, but that's my philosophy. When a woman come and see me, I was already born. So why now you go tell me say a woman go come before my mother? No, 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 no. When that woman come see me, I was already on this earth. So who come first? My mother. My lady should respect my mother. My mother should respect my lady. Don't get me wrong now. But when it come on to important, my mother is very, very, very number one importance. Yeah, because she came upon this earth. She cannot do what the lady can do for me because of that's my mother. However, the lady cannot bring me on this earth because if she bring me upon this earth, then we won't be no ladies and man. We will be mother and son. You get the picture? So, guys, I do not want nobody to tell me about, oh yeah, your woman come first. No, no. I could go past that as a matter of fact. Because me not stretch out that because that argument is just none avoid for me. Anyway, back to Yanni. Faster. When you have your mother, come on, man. Your mother do all that for you, send you to college, send you to foreign. What your mother could have done to you, that's why I need to know the rest of the story. I don't even know why. Tell the truth, I'm going to be honest with you. I am shocked I am even making this video because normally I like to know the next part of the story before we make the video. But there is nothing that your mother should do to you that you and that she send you to school, do all these things to you, and you is going to come from foreign and she open her hand like this and you walk past her. You don't want heat from her no more. You imagine that's your mother reach a stage where you don't even want to eat from her anymore. The food that she cook is not credible for your belly anymore when you used to remember those food that you used to eat and you used to cry for them too. God, we used to cry for my mother food too. My viewers and subscribers, I like to make fun. I like to just have fun, but this thing is just not nice listening to this lady. And she's not the only one. there's a lot more mothers out there who is talking. Only this one is a little different because a lot more people know of this lady. I was listening to a story. It's on a person story, mix up boss. And I heard one lady said she knew the lady, she knew her. And she knew when she used to take care of her daughter. She said she knew. She said she knew when she used to go tie out the whole heap of goat them. And that's so she used to take care of her daughter. She said she knew her. She knew her. So you have to think about it this way. If your mother help you and your mother look out for you, send you go to school. I hear one lady said that a kid don't have any don't owe our parents no obligation to take care of them. And I go say something about that, yeah. A kid don't owe our mother or father any obligation to take care of them after them grow up. But my question is about that is what if the mother don't help them? If the mother don't help them and they come to something like come and have money and have everything, should they give the mother something or should not give the mother anything because the mother didn't help them? Get where I'm going? So if the mother help them and they come out to something and have money, why shouldn't they help their parents? Knowing that the mother was there helping them, pushing them, giving them money. So it would be if the mother didn't help you, then you don't help. But if the mother help you, why not help the mother back? Because the mother is now needing help. Let me also say this. Your parents is your parents. Your mother is your mother. When you grow, when you're born and you grow, your mother take care of you. So you don't believe knowing that your mother take care of you is your responsibility to go out and help your mother and look out for your mother. Whether or not you make it in life or you don't make it in life. If you don't have the money, you can go at her house and help her fix up and clean up and do work for her and those things. But if you have the money, you do the same thing. You don't think that is. Comment down below what you really think a son or a daughter should or shouldn't do for their parents. Yeah, man, comment down below. Because I'm not going to say anything else. And the reason for that is I don't know Yannick's side. Which whatever side Yannick have, and she must be is going to tell us that her mother did her something and she didn't like that or whatsoever her mother did to her. However, for right now, Yannick, you need to come. See if you can talk to real talk. Because right now, me have you as disrespectful, ungrateful, and all kind of bad things. Because I believe say you shouldn't help your mother. You should have look out for her. Remember the boardhouse you grew up in, and all them food that she cook for you now you don't want to eat for now. So what me have to say to you is think about your mother. Yes, think about your mother and let's have a good time in life. Always remember your mother. But me not gonna say nothing more else. Me will left it right so because some me know say more a come, so me go save the best for last. My viewers and subscribers, no say a word peace and love is just me just have to say something about this situation. Yeah. So on the behalf of me, myself, and I, and the Real Talk Massive, big up on yourself, enough respect.